Hi everybody, this is CR number 20, helper video number 2. This is a popular Italian restaurant serves chicken parm. The graph shows the amount of chicken prepared over a various number of days. Notice on the bottom that we have our X values, which are the number of days, and they go in increments of 2. Notice on the Y axis, we have the chicken in ounces that they're creating or that they're making for the recipe. So it says, which of these describes the unit rate? So I'm going to go ahead and focus in on these answers here because that's the only way I can figure out which one is correct. Now, the reason why I'm saying that is because what you need to do is you need to look for beautiful points on this graph that meet the grid perfectly, because if you don't have any, then you're approximating and that won't give you an exact unit rate. So this is what I would do. I would start on the bottom and I would look at these points. There's only one point here and it looks like this that actually sits on that grid beautifully. And it shows that in 10 days, I use, or the restaurant uses 700 ounces of chicken. So they uses 700 ounces of chicken in 10 days. But the unit rate is telling me that I want to know how many ounces of chicken they use per day, which is for 1. Well, in order to go from 10 to 1, I'm going to divide the bottom by 10. Anything I do to the bottom, I'm doing to the top. So I'm going to divide the top by 10. And 700 divided by 10, I totally gave you the answer, is 70. So the unit rate on this graph is going to be 7 ounces of chicken per day. Remember, when finding unit rates on a graph, you find a beautiful point, then use a ratio to work that out. Good luck.